Hey there, this is Gaurav. Welcome back with another video of the series Learn JavaScript from Scratch. I hope you are enjoying this series. In the last video, we have already started learning operators, right? So this is a part 2 in JavaScript operators. In the last video, we have already covered arithmetic and logical operators. In this video, we'll be talking about comparison and assignment operator. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right in. So now we have comparison operators. So like logical operators, comparison operators also will give you always Boolean value, either true or false. So let's see what are the operators are there. So the first one is equal to operator, that is double equal to. So in the example you can see I'm just checking whether 5 equal to 5. So here 5 is number and other 5 is string, but still it is giving you true. Next one is equal value and type. The same thing, but here we are having triple equal to. So if I'll give you the same example over here, you will get false. So we have to understand the difference between these two operators. But the main difference is in first case, it is only checking the value, not type. But in triple equal to, it is also checking the type, which is why you will get false. Next we have not equal, which is just opposite to equal to. So here you can see if 5 not equal to 5, you will get false, because here it will not check the type, only the value. And in the same way we have not equal value and type. Next we have greater than. If 10 greater than 5 will get true. Then less than. If 10 less than 3 you will get false. Then greater than or equal to, either greater or equal. If any of this will happen, then you will get true. Next less than or equal to, whether equal to or less than, you will get true. I'll be showing some of the example with these first 4 operators. Comparison operator. So first I'll show you the difference between double equal to versus triple equal to. So if I write something like, let's say x equal to 10 and y equal to 10. Here 10 is string. Now if I check, let's say is equal or something like that, equal to x equal to y. Let me console.log. If I print it, what we'll get? We'll get true. That means, so this equal is also known as non-strict equality operator. Means it is not strict on your data type. So here x is 10, which is number, but here y is 10, which is string. It will only check the value, not the data type. That's why you are getting true. But if I write another equal to over here, that is what called strict equality operator. So if I run, you will get false, because now it is checking both the value as well as type. So now if I write here 10, then you will get true. Perfect. So whenever you are using equal to operator, just be aware about the fact. So if you are writing double equal to, then it might happen that you are not checking in right manner, because in that situation your data type won't be considered, right? So always go for triple equal to if you want to check both the type and value. So just be aware about the fact. The same way not equal to operator works, like this one or this one. It is just reverse of what we have seen. Next we have something called assignment operators in JavaScript, where we are assigning some value to a variable, that is equal to. So now we can write this assignment operator in different way. That is why we have other operators like addition assignment, where what is happening, if I write, let's say a plus equal to 5, here plus equal to is the operator, then it will be nothing but a equal to a plus 5. Your left value, that is a, will be added with your right value. In the same way we have subtraction assignment, that is minus equal to, where your left value, that is a, will be subtracted by the right value, that is a minus 2. Now multiplication assignment, the same thing, your left value will be multiplied by the right value. And then we have division assignment, the same thing. Then we have modulus assignment, the same thing, that is mod equal to, if I write a mod equal to 3, you will get nothing but a equal to a mod 3. So if I divide a by 3, that is 10 by 3, we'll get the remainder, that is 1. And then we have exponentiation assignment, the same thing. So let's see some of this in action. So let me just comment the other part. Let me clear it out. So if I write, let's say var Again I'm writing, just checking some random variable x equal to 5. So if I write x plus equal to, let's say I'm writing 10, just let me check it out what it will give you. So here x plus equal to nothing but x equal to x plus 10. It is a, again, a shorthand syntax. So you will get 15 because your left value will be added with your right value. So if I write, let's say something like minus, then what happened, x equal to x minus 10, we will get minus 5. The same way if I write, let's say the other part, let's say multiplication, so then what happened, x equal to 5 into 10. So it would be like x equal to x, what is the value of x? First x, then 10, that is 50. The same thing if I write, let's say division, we'll get 0.5. So that's all for this video. If you're having any doubt, any queries in this video, please let me know by giving a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. For now, take care. Tata. Bye bye.